Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Nissan Kicks. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat and mirrors so you have clear visibility all around the vehicle. Make sure the parking brake is engaged. Then, with your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press the engine start/stop button. You'll hear the engine come to life, ready for your journey. Remember to always prioritize comfort and safety before moving. Now that your Kicks is running, let's cover the basics of driving. To move forward, shift the gear selector into drive. For reversing, select reverse. Accelerate gently and maintain a safe distance from other vehicles, typically a 3-second gap. When slowing down, apply the brakes smoothly to ensure a comfortable ride for everyone. Always use your turn signals well in advance of any lane changes or turns. The Nissan Kicks offers some great features to enhance your driving. For easier parking, utilize the available Intelligent Around View monitor, which provides a virtual 360-degree bird's-eye view. If you desire a more dynamic feel, engage Sport mode for quicker acceleration response. Remember to check your tire pressure regularly. 33 psi is often recommended. The continuously variable transmission provides a smooth, efficient ride. Safety and maintenance are crucial for a long and enjoyable ownership experience. Always ensure everyone in the vehicle is wearing their seatbelt. Regularly check essential fluid levels, such as engine oil and windshield washer fluid, at least once a month. Pay attention to the blind spot warning system, which illuminates if a vehicle is in your blind spot. Schedule routine service appointments, typically every 5,000 miles, to keep your Kicks in top condition.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.